asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on with it? Mr. Hustlehard, man. I know I've been gone for a while. Yeah, y'all took me a young hiatus. And I really wasn't gonna do this video until I got all the stuff that I wanted. But apparently something's going, I'm missing a part that I want to do the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got cracking right now, man. And it is, I got some I had to get some more, I got some more spark plug wires. And I got these covers as well. And the reason being that I got them, because one of my damn wires was leaning on the header and it burnt it. So I put some tape on it just for the time being, but it's to the point now where basically it's getting a random misfire, and I know it's two of them that got burnt. Shoot, y'all, and it's darker than what it was looking like. Shoot, yeah, y'all, shit, so let me find it. Yeah, see, that's one of them. Number one. Oh, shit. And then the other one is where are you? Turn the flashlight on. It's one of them back ones, I believe, y'all. But, yeah. It's one of them back ones. So, like I said, I'll be putting these on. And, I just want to see if, you know what I'm saying, that'll help alleviate it. Because I'm also getting other codes, too. As far as, like, I can tell you some of the other codes I'm getting. One of them is, low voltage on the knock sensor. It's either the low voltage or is something setting off my back knock sensor, and my O2 sensor on bank 2 is claiming that it's not burning all the gases and whatnot. So, and usually, I mean, those O2s and them knock sensors, all that's brand new. Everything's brand new except for the part that I was waiting on to come, which is the damn coils. I've been waiting on my coils. They're supposed to be in there 2 days ago. They still ain't here. Shoot, I sent the email out to see, what's going on with my stuff. Cause I need my coils, y'all. I need my coils. And so, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. And I'm actually want to do a review on those coils once they come in, because typically I usually I'll stay OEM as far as like with all the sensors and stuff, and really electronics period. I tend to stay OEM, but these some aftermarket. They supposed to be heavy duty, so we gonna see. God damn. Ooh, sorry about that, y'all. But yeah, they're supposed to be heavy duty. So I want to see what they, see how they hold up or whatnot, and if they can keep up. And yeah, y'all, this is gonna be over a length of time, of course. So and yeah, once they start fouling out or going out, then I'll let y'all know. But I do also know, that bad coils or old coils will give you a random misfire as well and set all the other stuff off too. So before I buy those, buy new O2 sensors again and new knock sensors again. I mean, which they ain't much, but still, I don't want to buy nothing twice if I don't have to. So I'm gonna just wait for my coils to get in, change the coils out. Do I want to change? Yeah, I'll wait on the plugs. On the wires. Yeah, I'll wait on them. Shit. They're not touching right. They're not touching nothing right now. But see, this is the only thing I know. I've never liked about these wires. It doesn't feel like they seated real good. They never have. Hell, who knows? That may be, my random misfire as well. So, yeah, y'all. So that's what it is on that. Like I said, I'm waiting on coils and I'm waiting on all kind of other stuff to come in. Started a new gig or whatnot. If y'all watch my live, I didn't say where I was working at yet because I wanted to make sure that, it'd be a good fit for me. And so far it seems so, y'all. Shit. So, shit. Where am I working at? Come on, dang. Stay on lock. But, yeah, y'all, shit. But just because I got this new gig don't mean I'm going to stop my side hustles. That'll never stop, y'all. Side hustles will never stop. Never, ever, ever. So, it's just the only thing now is I got to kind of work with this new schedule and see when I can squeeze videos in here and there now. So, then it sucks too because sun going down faster, of course. So, yeah, that's where I'm at now, y'all. I'm gonna just wait on these. I'm waiting. Ain't no use to. I can go ahead and switch them out real quick. Shit. But I don't want to right now. I want to go inside and relax. Yeah, damn this car. But yeah, y'all. That's where I'm at with stuff for right now. Like I said, I got more stuff coming in. So, which in turn means, more content for me to throw out there to y'all. And yeah, y'all. Once again, I know I've been slacking and lacking, whatever, But I don't have no excuses. I ain't making no excuses. Shoot, it ain't like, I take YouTube serious enough to throw content out there like that on the regular. This is still enjoyment for me. This is just pure entertainment for me. Just give me something to do. And, just throw them in there. But, yeah, y'all, shoot. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it at that for right now. Yeah, y'all, the whips are still moving. Yeah, I got hot sauce still over there. He's still saucing around. Shit, the Osmo ship is still doing the do. Well, like I said, just got them codes that keep coming up. And I know it's gotta be the ignition stuff. It's gotta be the ignition stuff. Like I said, all those other systems, the O2s and the NOx systems, they're brand new. But it ain't like that. You can get bad sensors too, though they're brand new. Yeah, you can get bad sensors brand new. So, but it just started. It just started doing this crap. So that's why I'm suspecting it's the coils. Like I said, those are the only things that have never been changed, So I'm gonna change them coils. Get these old plugs off. Yeah, y'all. If y'all seen how that burn wood, I bet y'all know what I'm saying, that it's the wires too. But like I said, I ain't finna fuck with them tonight. I ain't fooling with them tonight. It's getting dark. And I typically don't like to work in the dark. Not unless if I have to. So that's going to be that, y'all. And cut that flashlight off. And yeah, y'all, shoot. I don't know when this gonna drop, but shit. Hopefully soon after I'll be getting my calls and shit, we'll get back to it, and plus all my other stuff that's coming in. So yeah, y'all. Man, I need a pay job. I need a pay job. Oh, and there was something else I was wanting to ask somebody. Oh, that's what it is. It's fucking climate control. Alright. Now, I gotta get new radio coming soon. Don't worry about that. Overlook that. But what I got going on with this thing, my stuff don't change over. I'm only getting air now from the defrost and the heater. And I noticed that little rubber vacuum deal for these. And unfortunately, the one that I have to get will be fucking $200 basically. $200. I mean, I've been looking them up for like the Caprices and Malibus and stuff. They only like $20, $30. But no, the one for the Cutlasses. Oh shoot, just cause I guess cause they have 9 vacuum ports on it, they want $178 for it. That's on eBay. I've even found the original part number and everything, y'all. And for the most part, man, shit. I've tried O'Reilly's. It don't even come up with O'Reilly's. AutoZone, it comes up at AutoZone, but there's no. The button that you highlight to order the part. You can't press it. So try Napa. Well, I tried Advance. I ain't tried Napa yet. Napa might have it. But if it in that little rubber piece, when I looked it up at AutoZone, it was like $75. I would have got it though, but you can't get it. Shit, it's only and so I've been thinking, shit, either just get that little rubber piece for $178, or I found on eBay that there's another one of these that somebody's selling. Well, there's a few people selling it, but it's a real clean one that came out of a 442 Cutlass, and they go up in here too, and they want $150. So what should I do? $150 for the whole deal, or $178 plus shipping for that little rubber piece in the back? Y'all let me know. But yeah, I ain't gonna keep y'all too much longer, man. Shoot, I'm finna go ahead and get off, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.